Hello, I'm Geet from Radiant Smiles Dental Clinic. Today, let's understand what happens when you lose a tooth. Losing a tooth is not only about appearance, it can also affect the surrounding teeth and supporting bone. After a tooth is lost, the bone supporting that area may gradually reduce because it is no longer receiving normal stimulation. Nearby teeth may also shift into the empty space, which can change your bite and make cleaning more difficult. One option for replacing a missing tooth is a dental implant, which is designed to replace the tooth and its root. A dental implant begins with a small titanium implant placed into the jawbone by a qualified dental professional. Over time, the bone can grow around the implant, helping create a stable foundation for the replacement tooth. This healing process can take several months, depending on the individual and the treatment plan. Healing on the individuals. Once healing is appropriate, a replacement tooth can be attached to restore function and appearance. However, implants are not automatically suitable for everyone. A proper dental evaluation comes first. The dentist may assess your gums, jawbone, existing teeth, medical history, and overall oral condition before recommending treatment. Regular checkups are important too, even when your teeth do not hurt, or seem to when your teeth do not hurt. A routine visit can help identify cavities, gum problems, worn teeth, or other concerns before they become more complicated. For many people, dental checkups are commonly scheduled around every 6 months, although your dentist may recommend a different interval. Good dental care also includes daily brushing, cleaning between teeth, and following advice from your dental professional. If you have a missing tooth, don't wait for discomfort before asking what your treatment options could be. Radiant Smiles Dental Clinic and Implant Center provides comprehensive dental care for patients in Palava and surrounding areas. From routine care to dental implants, the team can help you understand your options. Visit Radiant Smiles Dental Clinic in Palava.